Alright, so there's my laser glass that's broke. It jammed against one of my checkers that was down there. I don't even know how that happened, because it was like, been declared 300 of them, then all of a sudden one of them, I don't know if the air assist got underneath one of them and just popped it up. But anyway, yeah, so I'm going to, been trying to resource a new one of these, and I'm going to pop that out of there and see what I can come up with. I used a pair of just safety glasses I ordered. Some, they were like 12 bucks delivered to the house. Frame was bent, so I had to take the bottom section off and straighten it out. This is some mods I did to the plug-in, make it so I could unplug it. It's the mounting part of the laser. And I did replace my glass in my AtomStack, and all I did is just got a pair of these, just flattened them, got the lens out, got the right number for the laser, so that it's viable. And anyway, so there it is there. Of course, I can really ever see it. It's just a little bit of a beam in it, so it didn't really do much. I had it taped up. I was broken while I was trying to figure out how to get a new piece of flattened for it. But anyway, they got them in China, but they don't have them in the United States, so I didn't want to pay the shipping for it. So I just modified it, $9 pair of glasses. And I recommend a $60 sheet of acrylic blue laser safety glass. You know, of course, I'd only use this little segment of it, 1 inch by 2 inches. So anyway, I went the cheap route, the $9 glasses, and it should be okay.